Contractual risk transfer is a very hot topic amongst many contractors, owners and developers, as well as subcontractors these days. Contractual risk transfer is a means of transferring risk from one party to another to assign the responsibilities during a construction project. The insurance policies will back up the obligation that the subcontractor has to an upper tier or that the general contractor has to the owner or developer. The general contractor wants to make sure that those subcontractors have the proper insurance in the proper limits to make sure they are protected in the event that something goes wrong.
All contractors must have workers' compensation, employer's liability, general liability, and auto liability insurance. What sometimes differentiates the contractor from his competitors would be he's got an umbrella liability policy that provides excess limits over those other coverages. Beyond an umbrella liability policy, not all contractors carry pollution liability, and not all jobs require pollution liability coverage. However, if a contractor has to buy it for one job or two jobs a year, he can probably purchase it for all jobs for close to the same cost. Not all contractors have professional liability insurance. The professional liability provides coverage not for bodily injury or property damage claims, but for really failure to perform.
If they're in the construction business, they could be eligible for a construction classification credit. It can save a client possibly 5 to 25% of their premium. One of the things we've seen more recently, particularly with keeping control of the cost for the clients, is their fleet safety programs, the use of their automobiles. Many of our clients now are instituting substance abuse programs. As part of the evaluation process, they do a drug and alcohol testing. It helps give them a better risk management tool and better control over their operations.
Sullivan Group is a full-service insurance and risk management services firm providing insurance products and risk management services to individuals and businesses since 1957. And our client management services focus in technology, life sciences, management liability, directors and officers liability coverage, contractors, and financial services, manufacturing, distribution. We take a client-centered approach towards managing risk and providing insurance and risk management products for decision makers.